or less than 0. Number 2, the first operation you perform is expression exponent first. We have 3 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2 times 3 power 2. The first operation here will be exponent. If you want to find the result will be 3 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2 times 9. 3 power 2 equal 9. And then 2 times 9 equal 18. Write 3 plus 5 minus 4 plus 18. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 minus 4 plus 18. Subtract here. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 4 plus 18 equal 22. If you want to find the result will be 22. But in this example, he asked about the first operation. You must choose letter P here, exponent. Okay. Question number 3. The lower quartile from the set data here. To find the lower quartile, you must arrange all the values of the data here assembly from left hand side to right hand side, from smallest to greatest, and then you can find the lower quartile. Okay, look at with me. First step, I will arrange all the data here. We have here 60. Okay, 60, and the next number 61, 63, 64. We have 63, 64, 65 now. 70, 71, 72, okay, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, we have 72, 64, 77, 61, 79. Okay, 63, 76. Okay, we have 76 here. 76. And then 77, 79. Okay, so all the values here. And the next, we can find the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can find the median by find the order of the median. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 divided by 2, it will be 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 72 is the median. To right hand side, 4 numbers. From left hand side, 4 numbers. Since 72, we called it the median. But the order of the median is 5. It's the order of the median. Okay. And then 61, 60 here, we called it minimum. And 79 maximum. Okay. In this example, you want to find what? From left hand side, you want to find quartile 1, lower quartile. Okay, to find the lower quartile, you must add 2 numbers here and divide it by 2. Then quartile 1 versus 2, lower quartile, 61 plus 62 divided by 2. Question number 3. The result will be what? Count with me here. We want to find again, the result will be here 62. Count from this part. We have the middle, and this part the middle. Okay, then we have half of the data and half the data. 62 lies in the first quartile and 76 second quartile. It's upper quartile and it will be lower quartile. The lower quartile it will be 62. Question number 4. If y equal 7 plus 3x, then space and 10 satisfies the equation. Okay. Question number 4. Y equal 7 plus 3x. We have order 0, space, and 10. It will be x and second projection y. Then you want to find x. Put in this example y equal 10, this expression. Then 10 will be equal 7 plus 3x. We can find the value of x here by cancel this number. You must add the additive inverse of 7. It will be negative 7. Put here negative 7 and right hand side negative 7 plus 3x. You can cancel two numbers us here, and 10 minus 7 equal 3 equal 3x, and then divided by 3. Then x will be 3 divided by 3 equal 1. The result will be 1. Okay, then we must write here 1 in the space. The first projection, it will be 1. Question number 6. Question number 5. Question number 5 here. The number of rational number lying between negative 4 and its opposites. We have infinity numbers between negative 4 and 4. We have an infinity number. Choose letter D. Choose letter D. Oh, it's this question number 5. Question number 6. Which of the following is not numerical expression? Not numerical expression, it will be 5x plus 3. Okay, 5x plus 3, not a numerical expression, but 5x plus 3 we call that algebraic expression. Question number 7. Space plus space equal 12 times 5 plus 1. We will use the here distributive properties. 12 times 5 equals 60, and 12 times 1 equals 12. Then the result will be 60 plus 12. Question number 4. Okay, question number 2, number 1. Okay, complete. The smallest non-positive rational number is 0. 0, non-positive and non-negative. Question number 2. The verbal form of k power 3 plus 1. We can write here cubed k add to 1. We can write what? Cubed k add to 1. Question number 3. In the equation 5x plus 3 equal y, the dependent variable here dependent y. Y we called it dependent. Y we called it here, okay, dependent. Question number 4. Space is the solution of the inequality x greater than negative 5. We can write a number greater than negative 5, okay, such that negative 4, okay, or answer any results here. It will be true. A number greater than negative 5. Question number 5. The value of the expression for L subtract by 2 at for L equal 3. At L equal 3, put L equal 3 here. Then the result 4 multiplication by 3 subtract by 2. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 minus 2 equal 10. The result will be equal 10. Understood? Question number 6. In the opposite Venn diagram, the greatest common factor, it will be what? Will be 1. This part was empty. This part empty, okay? It's meaning the greatest common factor between first number, it will be 6, and second number 5. The greatest common factor between them 1. Right here 1. Question number 6. The result will be 1. Okay. Next question, number 7. The median of the following data which represent the bullet here. Look at the median. Look at the point lies in the middle of all the point. Here it will be 5. Okay, choose 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 point here in the number line, and 7 plus 1 equal 8. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. This is the order of median. It will be the fourth. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 we call the median. All the point lies between all the values. Okay, the median will be 5. Question number 8. -3 and 1 over 4 in the form a over b. Write 4 in the numerator, and 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 1 equals 13. Question number 3. Number 1, choose the correct answer. We have 24,492 divided by 71 equal 345, and the remainder space. Okay, to find the remainder we have two solutions. The first solution, you can find the long division between two numbers and then find the remainder, or we can find the remainder by multiplication, quotient here by divisor, quotient by divisor, and the result subtract from the dividend. Okay, then the remainder here will be, right, this number 24,492 subtract the multiplication between 345 by 71, such that 345 times 71. 1 by 5 equal 5, 1 by 4 equal 4, 1 by 7 3 equal 3 plus 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3 equals 31. Write 1 and carry up 3. 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 3 equals 24. 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and write 4 and 2 again. Then complete with me here. Then the remainder will be, write the result here by multiplication two numbers, and find the difference between the dividend and the result. The dividend right here, 24,492 subtract by 24,495. 24,495. 195. It was 5. Okay, it was 5 in this example. Again, 24,495. So we haven't the remainder, so the remainder here will be 0, because the multiplication between 24 and 495, the result will be multiplication between 345 by 71. It will be exactly the number 24,495. So the remainder will be equal 0. About question number 3, choose number 1, choose it or A. Question number 2, if x minus 3 equal 5, then half of x equal what? Question number 2, if x minus 3 equal 5, then half of x equal what? X minus 3 equal 5, then x here will be 8, then half of 8, it will be equal 4. Result will be equal 4. Question number 3, the mean of the data. We can find the mean by add all numbers and divided by the numbers, count of numbers here, 4. We have 4 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and add all the value, 9 and 19, 12 and 10. Write 4 in the numerator. 9 plus 9 equal 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Write 0 and carry up 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay. The result will be 50 over 4. 50 divided by 4, 25 divided by 2 equal 12.5. The result will be letter C about question number 3. Question number 4. Absolute value of negative 3.5 and 3.1 and 2. 3.5 it will be 3.5. It will be greater than 3.1 and 2. If we equal parts, put 0 here, it will be this number greater than this number. Okay. Question number 5. The inequality that represented by the opposite number line set integers space what? Okay, coming from negative 2 or 2 from 2 to infinity, negative infinity. Okay, it's meaning less than x less than or equal to 2. Okay, or we can write here solution. Understood, right? 2 here greater than or equal to x. You can write x greater than less than or equal to 2, or x less than or equal to 2 from left hand side right hand side. See true or is this solution? It shows letter C about question number 5. Number 5 shows letter C. Okay. Question number 6. The best subset for the number negative 2 is integer. Negative 2 belonging to a set of integer. Shows letter B. Negative 2 subset or is element of negative 2 element of set of integers. Negative 2 the best subset from the number negative 2, it will be an integer. Okay, understood? Integer numbers, negative and positive and 0, and numerator equal 1 about integer. Question number 7. 3 over 4 subtract 1 over 11. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator here. It will be 44, because 11 and 4 we call that relatively prime numbers. Any relatively prime numbers can't divide by a number without 1. 11 and 4 relatively prime numbers, then the least common multiplication between them equal 44. 4 times 11 equal 44. 3 times 11 equal 33. 4 times 11 44. 4 times 1 equal 4. And then write 44 in the numerator. 33 minus 4, it will be 29. The result will be 29 over 44. Choose letter C. Next question, number 4. Answer the following question. One time 161 soil samples were sent in equal groups to 23 labs. How many soil samples were sent to each lab? We can find the number of soil samples by using division. How many samples here? We can find the number of soil samples by using division. 161 divided by 23. 161 divided by 23, it will be what? This number 12 is the nearest to 7. 3 times 7 equal 21. Write 1 and carry up 2. And 2 times 7 equal 14. 14 plus 2 equal 16. Then we have 7 samples. We have 7 samples. Next question, arrange descending order. First step, you must find the solution of all the numbers. About question number 2, we have here negative 8. Absolute value of negative 7, it will be 7. We have 2, 0, and negative 5. Then we can find the range. It will be 7, right? Absolute value of negative 7, and then 2. You want to find the result here descending from greatest to smallest. Okay, 0 and negative 5 and negative 8. Question number 3. From the opposite bar graph, we have here bar graph. Look at with me the bar graph here. The bar graph Write statistical question. You have been asked to group this graph. Okay, we have the graph here. Reverse to what this graph? Number of students and the mass, and the title here: number of students pass the monthly quiz in each quiz. How many passed? We can write what subject did you pass the monthly quiz. You can write this question about this example. He want to write a statistical question. A statistical question about all subjects here. You can write what subject did you pass the monthly quiz. Okay, what subject did you pass the monthly quiz? Culture letter B. How many students pass math quiz? Math here, count with me here, it will be 70. The result will be 70 students. Okay, question letter C. How many subjects have at least 60 students pass the quiz? Count with me. 60. How many? 60 students. 60 where? 60. How many subjects? At least 60 students pass it. Okay. At least 60. Okay. It will be math and English and social. We have 3 students. Understood this question? 3 students. Why? Understood this question again. Letter C. How many subjects have at least 60 students pass the quiz? He asked about what's the subject. Look at the subject math. We have 70, so the first subject it will be math. And English, how many students pass in English? 60 students. Okay, at least. Okay, we can write what? The name of the subject will be English, and the next subject here it will be social. So we have 3 subjects. Again, how many subjects have at least 60 students pass the quiz? It will be 3 subjects. Write 3 in the space. Question letter D. Which subject has the lowest number of students pass in the quiz? The lowest will be what? This will be science. Subject will be science. Will be what? The science. It will be science. Question number 4. If the ticket of entering car park is 25 Egyptian lira and 10 Egyptian lira for each hour you spent, first write algebraic expression to represent the relation between the total cost and the number hours. Okay, we have the constant here was 25. Then the first expression we can write 25 the constant and 10 Egyptian lira per each hour, and write x raised to the number of hours. And second question, what is the cost of spending 5 hours in the park? At x equal 5, then the total money will be what he will put. X equal 5, we must put 25 plus 10 multiplication by 5, because each hour he will bid 5, each hour bid 10 Egyptian lira. 10 Egyptian lira for each hour he will spend. Okay, then if he spent 5 hours, what is the cost? The cost will be what? 25 plus 10 times 5 equal 50. We must add them. 5 plus 0 equal 5 and 5 plus 2 equal 7. He will paid 75 Egyptian lira.